Man, I've been holding this in for a minute. I'm about to blow this toilet up. Nah. Bro, what is y'all beefing over? Dog, it's 7 in the morning. How are y'all this mad? Her bro was sneak dissing. You know I don't play like that. Bro, I don't even know you. Shut up. Nah, shit, tripping. Y'all can't handle this outside of school? Hell nah, bae, I need you to record this. I'm not done with him. Bro, I'm not recording that. This got nothing to do with me. Start recording or I'm gonna get you next. Oh. Bro, he's not even moving no more. I don't care. Keep recording. Nah, she got me recording a crime. They gonna lock me up too. That's crazy.
Oh my god. Josie is so fine. I love his cheeks. However, the offer took him away from me. I need to follow them. There they are. Josie's apartment.
That freak, the bus is finally away from me in Fosfor. I should have never banged this toy at home.
Are you okay, Josie?
Yes, Daddy Fosfor, I'm okay. It's just... me.
Nah, I do not give a shit. Damn.
You're so understanding. It's kinda sexy.
Cool.
Fosfor,
Josie.
I want you to breathe me.
Okay, I'll be you.